Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. There is something so special about bringing a little piece of nature into your home. Today we are creating a beautiful rustic floral arrangement filled with fresh flowers, moss, twigs and a delicate little details that makes it feels like woodland treasure. It is an easy and budget-friendly DIY that brings a cozy natural touch to your space, whether you are decorating for Easter or spring. So grab your materials and let's get crafting.
Prepare your tin base, clean and dry your tin can, remove any labels or residue. If needed, trim the top edge to ensure a smooth finish. Take a piece of natural bark and measure them against the height of the tin can. Trim or break them into the right size using scissors or pruning shears. Attach the bark to the can. Apply a hot glue to the back of each bark pieces and press it firmly into the tin. Continue adding bark around the entire surface, ensuring a snug and natural fit. Overlapping pieces slightly will create a seamless and organic look. For natural touch, tuck small bits of moss between the bark pieces to soften the edges and create a forest inspired look. Secure the moss with the tiny dabs of hot glue if needed. it's time to plant our indoors hyacinths. Plant bulbs with their tips just above the surface and keep them in cool, dark places like garage or sheds for 6-10 weeks to allow the roots to grow. Let's prepare our base for the arrangement. Start with a round twig or wicker base to create a nest-like rustic feel. Place it on a tray or wooden platform for support and easy mobility. Add the flowers. Insert the small pots with the hyacinth flowers into the center of the base. Nestle moss around the base to cover exposed areas and create a forest floor effect. If you have, use different shades of moss for depth. Adding branches for heights. Insert thin branches into the arrangement to create an organic wild touch. Adjust the angles for a natural asymmetric look. Decorate with detail. Gently place eggshells among the moss and bark. Scatter small wood rounds and feathers for the texture and contrast. And voila, you can enjoy your handmade rustic floral arrangement, perfect as a centerpiece or seasonal decoration. For the long-lasting display, you can use dry or faux flowers and greenery. This DIY is simple, sustainable, and brings a touch of the outdoors inside. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one.